ngentlanga, yeah. This is so awkward. Hi guys, Mulweni Bandase. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, igama lam ndingu-Anna Mqoqi, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Ndinithandela ubuya okumdase. So today's video is a bit different because I'm doing a sit-down video slash a get to know me. So I put a question tag on Instagram, I think last week, for people to ask me anything abafuna ukuyazi ngam. So yeah guys, I'll be reading the questions from I'll be reading questions from my diary because I'm using my phone to shoot. I'm having my water because guys niyayazi mosibana ndikwi-weight loss journey, so I'm only drinking water, green tea, what else, netinje, but without sugar. So ngoku it's very hot, I can't have anything ngaphandle kwamanzi, and also I have a bowl of grapes here, but seziphela with strawberries. So yeah, bandase, let's get into it. Oh, another thing guys, I'm staying next to a main road, so if you hear any noise ndivule icango because ndifuna natural light xa ndilivalile kuba mnyama. So yeah bandase, let's get into it. So I am not sure guys bana ndiqale introduce like formally or kanjani, or ndivele ndiphendule nje just nje as questions. Okay, but ke did this introduce kancinci. So guys, my name is Anna Tisithinga, now known as Uzukhanye Mqoqi because nditshatile. I was born in Natal State Hospital apha eKatlehong. I grew up between Katlehong and Eastern Cape because bendi on and off. With my siblings, my father with my siblings apha eKatlehong no mama, and then after umama moved to Eastern Cape, ndaye ndahlala a few years, ndaphinda ndahamba ndaya kuye, and then I came back again. So kwisikolo bendingapha nangapha, uyabo. Nditshatele emaXhoseni, like I am married into a Xhosa family. Imqonci is between Idutywa. Imqonci is between Idutywa and Ingcobo. So what else? Before nditshate, we were a family of 7. Yes. Before my mom passed away, but ke mama usweleke ngoku senditshatile. So yeah guys, I do have siblings. I have, okay, kumama no tata si-4, sibayi-4. Ish guys, call and distract you pha uqolweni. So yeah guys, I do have siblings. I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings, my brother, my little sister, and my little brother. And also, okay, it's fine guys, let me read from those questions guys, but mostly guys, you were interested to go emtshatweni wami. You are interested, okay, you are interested in chatting about my marriage, my age. Most nindibuze izinto ezi-1, so I have questions as a very few because the questions is ezi-1. So let's get into it. Sana, I am rambling. So the first question is, how old are you? Okay guys, I am 28, turning 29 in October. 1996 nge1st October. Where are you from? Okay guys, I am originally from Mthatha, but nditshatele between Idutywa and Ingcobo. What is the best advice you'd give to a new Xhosa wife? Yo, Sana. Okay, number one is never stop learning. Guys, ifamily, you can be umXhosa, but xa uqala utshata imizi ayifani. There's a phrase in Xhosa that says imizi ayifani ifana ngeentlanga. Yeah. Imizi ayifani ifana ngeentlanti. Yes, imizi ayifani ifana ngeentlanti. I don't know how to say that in English, but yeah, never stop learning. Ungazixeleli that you know yabo yonke into. I don't know, man, guys, but number one is never stop learning. Number two, just be yourself. Always be yourself. Be honest with everything. Ungazenzi umuntu ongenguyanga. One thing sana esibethayo thina us as Xhosa wives is that uye ufike emzini ufune uimpressa uzilibala ubana ungubani. Uyabona? Just be yourself. Never stop learning. Every marriage is unique. Umshado guys into enhle. Every marriage is unique. Sorry guys, I thought if I am icimile, but being a letter that my battery is low, so I need to, yeah. So guys, I was saying, umshado is marriage is a beautiful thing. Umshado guys, and unique in its own way. So yeah, advice I would give you is just be yourself. Don't pretend. Do not pretend to be someone that you are not. And yeah, Bandas. Oh, another thing, don't succumb to peer pressure. Guys, especially as a Xhosa wife, competition is very high. Competition is very high. Peer pressure, if ungumuntu othanda izinto okhawulezayo upressurizeka sana uzothi shum, because everything kuXhosa makoti is competition. So just be yourself. Do not compete with anyone. Hamba ngamandla onawo, your own lane, your own pace. Your git is right, I am telling you. So yeah, and I say, and what's number 3? Is it number 3 or number 4? I hardly see you post with friends. Has marriage life affected your friendship? The thing is, Yazi, when you transition go into a new thing or a new life or into womenhood, you tend to lose a lot of friends. So I lost a lot of friends, but even before I got married, I lost a lot of friends in the soqala ukuba kwi serious relationship, because I had to I had to consider my husband in everything I do. He was my boyfriend then. So ezinye izinto bengingasazenzi anymore, yabo. Kwaba worse ke ngoku when I got married. I do have friends, I do go out with friends, but not often and not ebusuku, because number one, my husband doesn't drink alcohol, so asiseli apha endlini. So in most cases ke bengithanda uposta kudala siphumile ebusuku and all that, but I don't do that anymore ngoku. I am allowed to go out with friends. I do have friends with siyaphuma sometimes with my husband, sometimes ndibashiya abantwana ndihambe with my husband. But to answer your question kahle and honestly, it did kakhulu, because after I got married ndiye ndazala or ndamitha. I have 2 kids now, so I can't go kwezinye indawo omhlawumbi ndithi ndihamba ndibuya ngomso or ndithi umhlawumbi ndihamba ndibuya ebusuku. Yes, the latest I can come back, okanye the latest endike ndabuya ngayo since I got married is 10 o'clock. Is 10 o'clock. And another thing, abantwana bam basebancinci. I have a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old. So yeah, I'm sure mhlawumbi in the next coming years kuzobe ku-easy uba ndihambe, because noba ungathi abantwana yabashiya with your husband, akufani mana xa beshiyeke nawo. Yes, my husband is hands-on, especially kubo abantwana, but andiyazi ukuthi. But I hope ndiphendulile kakuhle. At what age did you get married? Okay, so umyeni wami wandilobola. Oh, by the way, umyeni wami waproposa ngebirthday yam ngo-2020, ngebirthday yam, and then wandilobola nge-30 ka-October ngo-2020, right? So guys, mna iyandibhida ke le nto ubana ndithi ndatshata ngo-2020 because wandilobola ngo-2020, but ke ngoku ukunxiba I didn't have i-white wedding, ne? Saya senza utsiki like yonke la traditional nto uyabona. So yona ndalantuka ndandinxibe amajerumana ngo-2021 nge-4 kaJanuary, because what happened is that wandilobola nge-30 November and our plan was to ukuba ndiyonxiba nge-26 kaDisemba, but ke utamnci wakhe wasweleka, and also from my side of the family nakhona kwakuzobakho isingcwabo, so kwaye kwangcwatywa nge-2 kaJanuary, so I had to uba ndilinde kugqithe isingcwabo before ndinxibe. So yeah, so I'm not sure if ndithi I got married when I was 20, but I was still when I was ngo-2020 andisadwabi guys, andisadwabi. Okay, umyeni wami wandilobola when I was 24 ngo-2020, I was 24. So I'm not sure if ndithi ndachata ndina-24 or 25, but kuyafana because undilobole wandiproposa when I was turning 24, and then wandilobola ndina-24, and then still ngoJanuary I was still 24 because ibirthday yami ngo-October. So yeah, to answer your question, I got married when I was 24. What do you do for a living? Guys, I'm a housewife. Housewife, not by choice. I'm unemployed, but what I do for a living, I sell inwele, I sell earrings, like I sell everything in guys. Now when guys, I'm kidding, man, but yeah, and I say I am unemployed. Ndiyathengisa, I sell imakoti scarves, I sell iqhiya, safety pins, I sell hair, ndiyarana norana, like laa nto kuthiwa irana, personal shopper, to answer your question. What did you study? So okay, so I studied e-sports science, officiating and coaching science, diploma in officiating and coaching science, and then ndigqibe ngo-2020, 2021 kahle because of COVID, ndigqibe 2021, and xa ndigqiba I was already pregnant, because after nditshatile ndaye ndaba pregnant immediately. So I was already pregnant, I didn't further my studies, but ke kulaa nyaka ndandisendaplayile for i-advanced diploma, but ke I studied officiating and coaching science, TUT, and also I have a short course in media consultant, majoring kwilantuka in PR, and then beauty therapy, makeup, nails, eyelashes, and all that. But ke andike ndazama ukusebenza ukwenza inzipho and all that, but I'm still doing eyelashes. It's just that ndiyonqena, to be honest. I'm lazy guys, ngasemali ngazizela. No questions. This is I just love you. Oh, thank you so much, and that's it. Thank you so much. So any question, iti, how did you meet your husband? Guys, ngicela nimeni, so ndizobane ndichecka my phone so that ndingaqhubeki kanti ifone icimile. Is that right? So uthi, how did you meet your husband? Okay, how did I meet my husband? So most guys ekhaya in Katlehong kune tenants, kunama room. So there was this guy owayehlala ubhuti, phofu not guy, maningathi guy. So kukho ubhuti obehlala ekhaya. He is from eMqonce naye. They are from the same village nomyeni wami, and bahlobene. So I met my husband in 2015. Wayefika here in Joburg, esuka eCape Town. He relocated here from Cape Town, and then wandibona yena ekhaya. Zandimbone ke mna ke wandibona yena ekhaya, and then ubhuti wacela iinumber zam, because like he kept on coming and coming, but engandiboni. Wandibona once, so wade watsho ke kubhuti uba ucela ilantuka iinumber zam, ndamnika ke mna ke. And ukumnika kwam, man, I was fresh from high school, so ndandizixela uba ithi ndimnike ndimsuse phakathi kwamehlo wam, not knowing ubana sana ndandiyodibana nenzora. Not knowing, guys, when I did Ndora yam, ndamnika ke. That's how I met my husband. But wethu, guys, it's not an interesting story wethu okanye mhlawumbi into endingathi ndiyenzela a separate video about how did I meet my husband. So, oh no, before that, kukhona ndandihamba with my brother, my late friend, lo bendiye esingcwabeni sakhe last year, and nenye nayo i-tenant eyayihlala ekhaya, but we were of the same age group. So sasiye kwenye indawo. So ngoku bona xa besibona babecinga ubafana uba yi-2 by 2, uyabo. Xolweni guys, sana ndikhathwe space, so now kumele ndikhawulezise. So I'm saying ke guys, so babecinga ubafana uba yi-2 by 2, yabo. But ke ubhuti lo ohlala ekhaya wandikhwaza, and then wabebulisa wethu. That's how umyeni wam wandibona ngakhona. So bendisatsho ke guys ubana ke, so after apho ke walokhu eqhubeka ke, he kept coming ekhaya engandifumani until ke wacela ubhuti uba alanti ke amcelele iinumber zam, and then I gave him my numbers. Then ke ngoku our first meet up was on the 2nd of November 2015, and then on the 5th ndathi ndinambhuti ndiyakuthanda. Since then ke ngoku engowam ke bandase. So that's how I met my husband, guys. How many kids do you have? I have 2 kids, guys, a boy and a girl. Oh, I have 2 kids, bandase. How different was your first pregnancy compared to the last pregnancy? So now, guys, good pregnancy, making a difference ingako. Okay, in terms of morning sickness, my first pregnancy morning sickness was extreme, and then my last pregnancy I had morning sicknesses, but bezingcono. But ezinye izinto bekufana shem, I don't wanna lie, usiqone, I thought maybe I am carrying a boy again, kanti intombazana. So number 11, do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have a big brother and a little brother and little sister. To your culture. So guys, my culture, I'm a Christian. Only my money, guys, I'm really sorry. Now I am rushing the video because it became a tema and been this only to find out about it again because of his space. Do you wish to have more children? Yes, and that's 2 more. In total, baby 4. If your finances based for my benza banomyumtana even now, because I'm from babashiyane kakhulu, but ke financially andikho lapho, uyabo. Ithi uyayithanda indoda. Oh guys, mna ndiyayithanda indora. I love my man so much, I love my husband so much. Thanda indlela andiphethe ngayo, ndithanda ihlobo eli andithanda ngalo. Ndiyayithanda indoda, and I am so loud ngaloo nto leyo. If kungathiwa hamba uhlala emakhaya, would you go? Yes, I would go. Ndiyohlala emakhaya mna, guys. If bekuya ngam ndihlala ezilalini. It's just that umyeni wam akafuni. And sana ndiyamxelela ndathi, sorry guys, I know abanye bazithandi isawundi yomntu otyayo okanye umntu othethe isitya. So I'm saying, guys, if bekusiya ngam ngendihlala ezilalini, umyeni wam ndamxelela ubana ndicela azame uaplayela e-Eastern Cape, asebenzele e-Eastern Cape, so that we can go back home siyohlala ezilalini. I love being ezilalini bandase mna. So even now ndingaya ezilalini ndiyohlala, it's just that umyeni wam akafuni shem, akafuni nyani. The last question is your favorite color. Guys, my favorite colors, nude colors and all black. any nude color I love. Ublackie ndiyamthanda. And sana guys, we've come to the end of a video. Please don't skip ads. And that's why I just also at the end of the video, but don't skip ads. But guys, I hope you didn't skip any ads. Please don't forget to like. Sendiphethe ngesandla ke guys ngoku. Bye.